No arguing, your exhaust system faces some of the harshest conditions out on the road. I mean, think about it. High temps, right? Corrosive gases, road salt, and constant vibration can absolutely wreak havoc on just your average parts. That's why it's important to use products you can trust. And that's where JB Weld comes in. JB Weld has a full line of high heat products for any exhaust repair. Extreme heat repair paste, ideal for repairing cast iron manifolds and providing long-lasting durability. I'll even throw a coat of paint on the top for extra protection. For serious repairs, Exhaust Weld high-strength fiberglass wrap works like a cast for a broken arm or a broken leg. It's a multi-layer wrap that can handle temperatures up to 1,100 degrees. All right? Exhaust system sealant is a convenient option for sealing minor leaks in slip-fit pipes and in mufflers that doesn't have that nasty smell. JB Weld also makes a tiger patch wrap, a high-heat epoxy stick, and 2 sizes of muffler seal. And remember, a well-functioning exhaust system is crucial for your vehicle's performance and for fuel efficiency. With JB Weld products, you can repair with confidence.
This tip is brought to you by JB Weld, the world's strongest bond.